Hi, we have Shalik
And we have Jesal. And
we are the designers
of
of Smartivity Art and Craft Studio.
first product of our creative range. This is quite an unusual line for Smartivity. So how did this come into picture?
Okay, let me ask a question. When you were young, what kind of professional toys have you played with?
I mean, obviously the doctor set. Then I saw my sister playing with the kitchen set. That's all I can remember.
So you're a designer. Did you play with something that led you to this profession?
Absolutely not.
Exactly. So this product is made for our little ones who aspire to be future designers and want to have a creative career in it.
So here's our first activity. So you take the cards, stamp on it, place it upside down, shuffle it, and play it like a memory game.
In the second activity, we wanted kids to understand how 2D shapes can turn into 3D objects like bus, and then you customize it with colorful chalks and pens.
Next activity is for kids who have just started drawing. Here you get tracing plates and you can place it however you want, trace them out, get the impression and color them. You have different professions and animals and you can make n number of stuff with them.
Now this one here is for future architects and interior designers. You can make 4 different rooms and put them together to make a house, customize it and play with different small characters.
The next activity enhances your fine motor skills, and for that we have clay. You can make food items along with the molds that is provided and many more such things.
Next is an old Japanese paper folding art called origami. This comes with vibrant graphics and easy to follow fold lines and instructions.
The next activity, you have classic greeting cards with a twist of paper folding mechanisms. Watch it come to life when you pull and push it.
For us, design is a lifestyle and we, as designers,
would like to spread it to our future generations.
We really hope that you all like this product.
Thank you.